Okay, hello everyone. So let's see where we are today. Yesterday we held the support greatly at previous week's lows and rallied all the way up to previous week's highs. We need to see if we are able to hold this week's highs here and previous week's point of control down to 580's area here in order to have a continuation towards the upside and continue to take these week's highs and go towards this 500s area. If we see a failure here around the yesterday's high, this will be a great short opportunity for the price to move and balance back within this range. Okay, so price held resistance here at the initial balance high, now below European cash opening price, shorted here, scale out already. Need to see if price can go and take down initial balance low, and if it go what it does here at previous week's point of control, or if it balances lower. Price failed to touch initial balance low, now above volume weighted average price. We need to see if it managed to take out the highs here and go for yesterday's high retest. So price pulled back here above and failed to hold above so far initial balance high. We need to see if it has another failure and go short here. Of this it will continue to go higher. So price is holding above initial balance high in volume weighted average price. Perhaps we should see further upside towards yesterday's highs at least. So price failed once again to extend higher, triple top here. We need to see if this reversal will be able to take down initial balance low and then further upside. Otherwise it's just going to be a balanced day until it finds any direction. So price just chopping around in a range of 43 points, very low range here, very small range. We need to see if we have any kind of retest here at yesterday's highs and see what it does. If a short will be nice trade. Okay, so price broke out this previous first half cash trading high. We need to see if it takes out yesterday's high and if it holds and trades higher and higher like 700 area like yesterday's low volume grind. So price so far faked out previous high here and failed to even test previous week's and yesterday's high to the tick, although held below point of control of yesterday's session as of now. If this uptrend breaks and price goes trades within initial balance range and goes below, perhaps we should see price going towards this 510 area, further downside though. Okay, so price broke out yesterday's high here, trending higher. We need to see what it does here at previous week's highs 700 area. So price spiked higher towards this 700 area and now pull back a bit, sorted here, scale out here. We need to see if we have a kind of pullback and what price will do at 650 this previous week's high here, if it holds for a continuation, or if it's going to reverse back towards the volume weighted average price or initial balance area. Okay, US cash market open here and DAX pulled back since the highs towards this previous week's highs. Here we need to see if it will be able to sustain this and go further upside, or if it will just go and trade below towards 600s. Price held support here at previous week's highs above the US cash opening price. We need to see if this can eventually trade higher up to the highs of the day. Price tested the highs here and failed so far. We need to see if this continue to go towards volume weighted average price, how it will behave here, and then if further downside towards 600s. Straight down here after this fake out above US cash opening price, scale out here and here, leaving the rest to see how price will develop and if it trades down to 600. So price failed to hold this rebound here after the sell-off at previous week's highs, this level right here now lower. We need to see if it takes inside initial balance area and then takes out initial balance on how further down. Scale out, add it again, short here, scale out here and here. Okay, so another scale out here at midpoint of initial balance area, waiting for price to see if it can go further down. Okay, so price straight down towards the initial balance low since this highs failure here to extend higher. Short here still holding for shorts to go further down. So I need to see if price will be able to go towards these previous week's highs and 500 area, so we can fill some of these less traded area, although it's already being filled, so perhaps price can go fast there. Scale out the last part of the trade since this failure above here down to 590s or so. Need to see now if we have any kind of bounce or a continuation towards the European cash close. Okay, so here we are a few minutes until the European cash close. So we've seen today nice moves here, held support at this very well traded area here, point of control of previous weeks, rallied up above previous week's high, failed to test this week's high, then below this week's high as well. Now lower, trendy, mostly straight down here at the US session. We need to see if this will go further downside. Also, if you want to see this live streaming instead of later after the European cash close, you can go to my Twitter here at this name and click this link here, which will prompt you to a link for a monthly subscription here at this price. Of course, you can cancel whatever you want. I will post everyday link like this from GoToMeeting here in order to log in and watch live and discuss during the market hours.